So guys, for the first method, once you're on Google Chrome, you're going to click on the three dots in the top right. Now you're going to click on settings. And then once this comes up, on the left hand side, you're going to click on about Chrome. It's now going to start checking for updates. Make sure that your Google Chrome is fully up to date. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, once you're on the Google Meet website, you're going to look at the URL. Now next to it, you're going to click on this, view site information. And then once this comes up, it's going to be saying cookies and site data. You're going to click on this. And then click on manage on-device site data. You want to delete everything that comes up here. And then click on done. And now you're going to click on this again, view site information. Now you're going to click on site settings. If you have any usage right here, you're going to click on delete data. And then click on delete. Also make sure that your camera is set to allow. And now we're going to go back to Google Meet. Now you're going to click on reload. You want to reload the Google Meet page. See if that works for you. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in camera privacy settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that you have camera access turned on. And in this list right here, if you see Google Chrome or Google Meet, you're going to turn it on as well for that. See if that works. For the last method, if you're using an external camera, then you want to unplug your camera and then restart your computer. And then plug it back in again. See if that works for you. Also, if your camera is not external, then just restart your computer anyway. See if that works for you.